So guys, for the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to click on view by and then make it large icons. And then we're going to head over to the programs and features tab. Once you're on this, you want to look for Microsoft.NET Framework. I'm going to put it on screen right now. But if you don't see it, then we're going to head over to turn Windows features on or off. And then you want to make sure that Net Framework and Net Framework under it is both ticked and click on OK. But if you still don't see it, then you want to head over to the link in the description below and then you want to download the latest one. So this one right here. Once you download it, you want to find your game that you want to play. You want to right click on your game, head over to properties and then click on compatibility. And then you want to tick run this program as an administrator and then click on OK. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. Then we're going to type in regedit and click on enter and then click on yes. Once you're on it, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first we're going to click on HK local machine, we're going to expand it. Then we're going to expand software. Then we're going to scroll down and expand Microsoft. Then we're going to scroll down more. And we're going to expand Windows NT. Then we're going to expand current version. Then we're going to scroll down again. And then we're going to click on Windows. Once you're on this, you want to click on load app in it and then make sure that the value data is set to 0 and then click on OK. Once you've done that, we can close this out. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once you're on it, we're going to type in chkdsk space c:/f/f/r. This will also be in the description below and click on enter. Once this pops up, we're going to type in Y, which means yes. But when it says to restart your computer, do not restart it yet. Finish all the steps in this video and then restart it afterwards. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. Then we're going to type in clean mgr and click on enter. We're going to clear all of the temporary files on our drives. First, I'm going to start with my C drive. Click on OK. And then make sure that everything here is highlighted and click on clean up system files. And then click on OK again on the same drive. Once this pops up, make sure that everything here is highlighted again and then click on OK and then click on delete files. You can repeat that method for all of your drives. For the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates, click on it. And then you want to check for updates and do all the updates that you may have. Once you complete all the steps, restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart, don't shut down, click on restart, then the problem should be fixed.